Sa Vancouver, sentro ang kwento't alaala dala ng Balikbayan Box sa main stage presentation ng Hold On, Let Go Festival. Ang kwento sa likod ng It Is For When You Meet Me sa report na ito.
Friends of Filipinos, they come to the bahay and then they're like, what is that? And sometimes you have to explain, oh, my parents are collecting stuff in the Balikbayan Box when they go home 7 months from now.
Isa lamang ito sa mga alaala ni Angela Magpantay kapag napag-uusapan ang Balikbayan Box. Isa sa paraan ng pagpapakita ng pagmamahal ng mga Pilipinong nasa ibang bansa sa kanilang mga mahal sa buhay sa Pilipinas. Ang Balikbayan Box, sentro rin sa akda ni Magpantay na It Is For When You Meet Me, na itatanghal sa February 7 sa main stage presentation ng Hold On, Let Go Festival sa pakikipagtulungan ng consultant at composer Argel Monte de Ramos.
So it's a really great time to reflect on people that we miss. So they're collecting, and it doesn't make sense for people, and I kind of want to give a little window of why and the origins of how some Filipinos express love.
Kwento ni Bernice Paet, stage manager ng Hold On, Let Go, naalala niya nung maliit siya at wala pang social media. Nagpapadala raw sila ng mga Balikbayan Box sa Isabela upang ipatikim sa mga kaanak na naroon ang ilan sa mga paborito nila sa Canada.
It's a 12-hour drive. Just imagining a box on its own, driving all the way from the airport to there is, I don't know, I think working on the show gives you a new perspective on it.
Kwento naman ni Zarina Agustins na tumulong sa light and set design na tila life-size Tetris blocks. Pinanganak man sa Canada, may panahong tumira sila sa Pilipinas. Bit-bit nila ang piling alaala sa paulit-ulit na pag-empake ng gamit sa Balikbayan Box.
Throughout my childhood, I did move around like the Philippines a lot, and we were often packing up and moving it to a different home. Symbolizes a lot of like movement and transportation, but also like sometimes we couldn't take everything. Sometimes like we would be downsizing, and you would have to like carefully choose what goes into your box to take to the next place that you live in.
Iba-iba mang alaala ang nauugnay sa Balikbayan Box. Ang tradisyong ito ng mga Pilipino, tila handog din daw ay pag-asa na balang araw magkakasama-samang muli.
It's just more me. It's very honest. You will enjoy a lot, and you might get a pasalubong.
Magaganap ang Hold On, Let Go Festival mula February 3 hanggang 7 sa Russian Hall sa Vancouver.